All right, this is what I'm doing today on this Lexus. Now that it's all cleaned up, I got my job cut out for me. Okay, all done with this Lexus. Natural reflection look. You can use that pole over there as a good reference. I'm gonna put a light on it. Some of you out there think you're the only ones that see the minor flaws in videos and such. You're not any different. And I'm here to tell you, look, I'm just keeping it real, all right? I'm not producing a 2-day video with post-production, lighting and music and everything for my daily repairs. There's just not enough time to do that, and there's no money in it just to keep showing videos. I think what's important to know is that the fact that I chose to show the flaws because, number one, when I'm mobile, I only have a few moments sometimes to take a video. You know, these people want me out of their garage. I'm not working in a shop. Remember, I'm not posting this great production video. No, I'm in somebody's garage. I got to get out of there. And I am getting 2 or 3 moments to do that. So if I catch flaws, I just fix them later. So what you're going to see in this video is the best I can do for that one video pass, but I did fix some of them afterwards. And if I didn't show the video, that's okay too, because you, the viewer, if you're going to come and be critical of videos finding these little spots, we all see it. But you, the viewer who is saying that, try filming in 4K every week on your repairs or almost every day. And then you'll maybe get a healthy respect for what it takes to just film a repair, let alone film it after a giant, dent like this. All right, let's take a look. I haven't even wiped it down. Up here. The brace at the top of the door is right there. And I didn't take the glass out. It would have really added time to the repair putting the glass back in. And I was at a point where I had that area really nice, but getting those flaws out, I was working in the glue of the brace above and below it. It wasn't easy. But I got the video and I had that one flaw there. But overall, that's the backstory to that spot. And here's a good view of the natural here. Yeah, a little flaw right there, you can see that. Yeah, it did not drill any holes. I'm happy with it. All right, well, thanks for watching. This is Sal from Dent Experts, the YouTube channel, fixing this Lexus RX, saving it from the body shop. You know, that's what I love to do. And this one got saved. I got paid, ready to go pick up the check. It's over there, right next to that thermos. Ready to get it.